Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia, and I'm here with the latest installment of the Kinder Beauty Box, specifically the August and September 2022 unboxing. The Kinder Beauty Box is a cruelty-free subscription box. I have a whole playlist that details my 1-year experience with them, and you can view that here. The very first video goes more in depth as to the different plans available, the pricing, and why I ended up opting for the 1-year plan as opposed to my initial 6-month plan purchase. The basic gist is that they offered a great deal on Black Friday last year, and so I jumped on it and I upped my original 6-month subscription to 1 year. I've been paying $22 a month for the Kinder Beauty subscription box. I haven't done any subscription boxes before, and what drew me in with this one is the fact that it's cruelty free. And so the Kinder Beauty box is tailor-made for me because it's mind-blowing and incredible and so relieving that every time I get a box, every single item in the box is something that I can use. You can view that first video here. So today I'm just going to be unboxing the August and the September boxes. I mean, that's pretty much what I do in these videos. I share with you what I got. So to keep it moving, let's jump right in. This is the August 2022 box, also known as the Galaxy Glow box, and these are its goodies. The first product is the Acure Resurfacing Overnight Glycolic Treatment. I have never used anything like this. You're supposed to put it on your face before you go to bed and leave it on overnight. I am not quite sure what it does, but I am intrigued. Next up is the ATHR Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette. You actually get makeup in this one. Wow! I can't wait to see it. Oh wow, it has a beautiful card. Tenacious is the lioness in the face of oppression, unfaltering in conviction and clout. Cool colors don't tend to be colors that I use, but knowing Kinder Beauty, I know that it'll be an amazing company to work with. And if I don't end up using it, I have an almost 22-year-old daughter. By the time this airs, she'll be 22, so she might want this. Restore Vegan Nail Serum moisturizes and fortifies. I don't really do much with my nails. I really don't. So, I mean, maybe I should start using nail serums. How do you use this? You apply a few drops to the nail beds and cuticles. The Spanglish Brush Trio. Since we got makeup, we get brushes. And it's made of synthetic fibers and wooden handles. Wooden? This looks metal. Andalou Rose Pomegranate Botanical Shave Cream. So this would be something that's wasted on me. I love rose and pomegranate. That's like the products that I will always gravitate towards. Iranians are very particular and prone to wanting rose and pomegranate. We do a lot of rose and pomegranate in my culture, but I don't do shave creams. I don't shave. I epilate and I remove hair from the root. So this is wasted on me. This is something probably that I would gift somebody because we don't shave in this house. And that was it for this box. Next up is the September 2022 box, also known as the Purify box. And here are its innards. The OC Essential Hydrating Oil, which I am actually so excited about because I totally ran out of my oil and I haven't ordered another oil, which is perfect because now I have an oil. Moonlit Skincare PM Pimple Patch Pack. I don't get many pimples, but I do sometimes when I eat a lot of chocolate. My daughter might, I don't know, but I might share this with my kids or just give it to them. Franklin and Whitman Sea Salt Hair Mist. I don't really do sea salt hair mists. This is another product that's kind of wasted on me. Maybe my daughter might want it. If she doesn't, I mean, I wouldn't know what to do with this. I don't really know anyone who'd want it. And maybe like if I do like a little gift pack situation for somebody, I would include this in there. Well People Plant Powder Foliant Renewing Charcoal Exfoliating Powder. What is that? It's supposed to be used once a day, and it's a powder that you mix with water on your hands until it becomes a creamy situation, and then you lather it onto the face. This is intriguing. Volition Beauty Apple Cider Vinegar Resurfacing Peel Pads. You use 1 to 2 times a week. I've never used anything like this. Sometimes I feel like I go through everything so fast that it feels underwhelming, but I'm struggling to hold them. But if you think about it, look at all this stuff. For $44, you get all this stuff. And I'm sure one of these items is worth more than $44. So you definitely get a ton of bang for your buck. Even though there were like 2 products here that weren't really well suited for me. So what? You can gift them. That's it. I mean, you can gift them. You can gift them if you don't want to use them. One product on its own is of such good value and they're such quality products that they make for excellent gifts. So maybe if you get a few products you don't like, you can get like a little gift bundle for a close friend or someone you care about and love, because these are very special. I potentially have 1 or 2 more videos left, and that's it for me with Kinder Beauty, and I will deliver my verdict in my official final video. So for now, this is it. Check out that playlist if you want to know more, if you want to see more and see what I've had in previous months. And let me know what you think. If you subscribe to the Kinder Beauty box, how do you like it? How does it work out for you? Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, click like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more, and see you in the next one. Ciao for now.